and running. For today, we're going to brainstorm some ideas that you might want to write about when we start writing our own realistic fiction. So I want you to think of 4 different things that have happened to you. In this box, it's going to be one thing that has happened to you that could be a story idea number 1. You can draw a quick picture and then jot just a little bit down here so that way you remember. Maybe you might say zoo or went to Florida. Okay, it doesn't have to be super long, but just so that way you remember what your picture's of. But what is one thing that's happened to you? So this might be one story. This is going to be one thing that happened to you. This is going to be totally different from this thing. What is something else that happened to you that you could write about? So maybe here I went to Florida. I could write about playing at the beach. Maybe here I broke my wrist. I could talk about this. Down here, there's 2 more separate ideas. So maybe here I might talk about getting Willow or bringing Willow home. And then here I could talk about what's it called? A choir concert. I could talk about a choir concert. I was in choir when I was in high school, and I could talk about a choir concert. So there's 4 separate ideas. These are 4 separate story ideas. So these boxes don't relate to each other. This isn't a story that you're writing right now. It's just ideas that you might want to write about. So in each of these boxes, you're drawing a quick picture and writing just a quick little word or 2 to help you remember what the picture is. But all of the 4 boxes are completely separate. They're 4 different story ideas. So I want you to take a second and think about 4 different things that has happened to you that you might want to write about.